महाराष्ट्र राज्य माध्यमिक शिक्षण मंडळ इयत्ता 10वीच्या परीक्षेच्या उजळणीसाठी आम्ही जे व्हिडिओ सत्र सुरू केले त्यामध्ये आपलं मनपूर्वक स्वागत करत आहे. यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री आणि डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला याचा वापर केलेला आहे. आज आपण एक वेगळा ग्रुप बघणार आहोत. या उजळणीच्या व्हिडिओजमध्ये एक ग्रुप तयार केलेला आहे. यू कॅन सी दॅट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हेरीफाय whether the given triangle is the right angle triangle. Second one, whether it is equilateral triangle. And the third one, whether the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. तर हे प्रूव्ह करताना, हे आपल्याला तपासून पाहताना we are going to use the distance formula. So let us try to solve the first example. Coordinates are given. Coordinates of P, Q, R are given. So what is the first example? P coordinates are -2, 2 and Q coordinates are 2, 2. So first let us calculate PQ, length of PQ side, length of PQ segment. So we know the formula to calculate length of PQ. We have to use the formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. And this is your first point x1 y1. This is your second point x2 y2. Then substitute properly values. What are the values? 2 minus minus 2. Remember that 2 minus minus 2. It will be plus 4 bracket square plus 2 minus 2. It will be 0 bracket square. So let us calculate PQ. First we have to see that it is 0 and this is 16, but we know the square root of 16, it is 4. So it is the length of PQ segment. First we can calculate length of PQ segment. After that, second point, you take Q point, it is 2, 2. Then you write R point, it is 2, 7. Again use the same formula to calculate QR distance. What is the formula? We have to write down x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is your first point in that case. This is your first point. This is your second point. So by using 2 minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus 2 bracket square, we can see that calculations 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 square is 0 and 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 square is 25, but we know the square root. It is QR is equal to 5. This is your QR segment. Similarly, we have to calculate the segment PR. That is your third point. P coordinates are -2, 2 and R coordinates are 2, 7. We have to use that distance formula again. You know that x2 minus x1. So this is your x2. What is that? 2 minus 2 bracket square plus this is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 bracket square. We have to calculate further. We are getting PR. We know that 2 minus minus 2 plus, so it will be 4 square plus 7 minus 2, 5. It will be 5 square. Now try to find out the simple form. You know that square is 16 plus 25. So add them. It is 41. So you are having PR is under root 41. PQ is 4 and QR is 5. 3 sides are there. To verify whether it is right angle triangle, we have to see that converse of Pythagoras theorem. Already in the Pythagoras topic, we have seen the video converse of Pythagoras theorem. Greatest side, which is the greatest side? You can see that this number is definitely square root of 36. You know 6, so it is more than 6. This is 5 and this is 4. So this is your greatest side. So first you take the square of greatest side, PR square. You can see that what is that PR square? It will be 41, PR square. Then you find out the second one, PQ square. PQ square. So what is that PQ square? It is 16. PQ square is 16. Then you find out QR. QR square. QR is 5. 5 square. It is 25. Now, by observation, you can see that the sum of the two squares, 16 plus 25, what is that? PQ square plus QR square. What is the PQ square? It is 16 plus QR square is 25. And what is the total there? 41. But it is coming equal to the square of PR square. So this is 41. PR square is 41. So we know that PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So what is that triangle like this? You can see that if this is 4, if this is 5, and if this is under root 41, what is that? PR, PQ, PQ, PR, PR, like this, QR, if it is QR, if we take 5 and PQ is 4, you can see that PQ and QR are perpendicular to each other. And this is 16 plus 25 and the third side PR. So that is the right angle triangle. We can see that it is right angle triangle. So in any example, we have to find out the distance AB, distance BC, distance AC. Then we have to select that. To prove that equilateral triangle, we have to find out that whether the all sides are equal in the second example. And in the third example, again we have to calculate distance DE, distance EF and distance DF. And observing the lengths, two sides are equal, we can decide it is isosceles triangle. So this is the first example already solved, and let us try to solve the second and third one. So what is that? Next example, we have to show that it is an equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, we have to calculate three sides. First, we have seen that it is right angle triangle by using Pythagoras, converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now, in the second example, what is that? Second example, A is 1, 2, B is 1, 6. We have to calculate AB by using the distance formula. 1 minus 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 6 minus 2 bracket square. What is that? Under root. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 square is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. So, what is the value there? 4. After that, second point B. B is 1, 6. And C is 1 plus 2 root 3 and 4. These are the coordinates of B and C. So, we have to calculate BC there. Same formula. What is that? x2 minus x1. you can see that what is x2 there? 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 bracket square plus 4 minus 6 bracket square 1 minus 1 cancellation and 2 root 3 square. We have to find out 2 root 3 square plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 bracket square. So what is the answer? You can see that what is the number there? 4 into 3 12 plus square of minus 2 is 4. So total is 16, and you know that it is 12 plus 6, 4 is 16 and square root is 4. So we are getting BC side it is 4, AB side 4. Now third side, what is that? AC. What is A there? A coordinates 1, 2 and C coordinates are 1 plus 2 root 3 and 4. To calculate AC, again use the same formula, distance formula. You can see that x2 minus this, x2 minus x1. You can see that cancellation is there. So it is 2 root 3. So you can write that 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 is 4 minus 2 bracket square. Calculation minus cancellation is there, and you know that 2 root 3 is there and square of that number. So 2 root 3 square plus 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2 square. Again you can see that 2 root 3 square, it is 12 plus 4. So what is the final answer? It is 4. So we are getting that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So this is definitely all sides are equal. So it is equilateral triangle. Now by using the distance formula, you can try to solve the third example, that is for your practice. Remember that you calculate DE, then you calculate EF, then you calculate DF, and if you are finding two sides are equal, definitely you can write it is an isosceles triangle. So this is example given for your practice. So this is the set, this is the group. When 3 points are given, coordinates are given to decide whether the given triangle is right angle triangle or equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. You must know the properties of each type. ट्रायंगल, राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे, आयसोसेलियस ट्रायंगल त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज माहिती पाहिजे आणि इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज माहिती पाहिजे आणि बिफोर दॅट यू हॅव टू रिमेंबर द डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला. तर आपण या ग्रुपचा विचार या व्हिडिओज मध्ये केलेला आहे. तुम्ही डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युलाचं ऍप्लिकेशन हे आपण केलेलं आहे. तर याचा जास्तीत जास्त उजळणी करा आणि मार्क यावर्षी जी परीक्षा आहे ती एप्रिल एंडला होईल असं वाटतंय, तेव्हा त्या परीक्षेसाठीची उजळणी सत्रामध्ये आपण हे व्हिडिओज पाहावेत आणि याला लाईक करा आणि कॉमेंट्स टाका तुम्ही आणि सबस्क्राईब करू शकता. तेव्हा यासाठी माझी तुम्हाला रिक्वेस्ट आहे की हे व्हिडिओज तुम्ही बघत राहा आणि मला त्याचा रिस्पॉन्स कळवत राहा.